Hi guys, this is Ben with Pierre Driving School. Today I'd like to answer a quick question here with many students that are asking, how can they know what speed that they're driving with? Now, in order for them to understand that, so I said, let me do a video so I can respond to that question. So anybody that ever asks that question, so they can know where to look, what to look and what to do, right? We're looking at right now the dashboard of a car, right? They have that board here. There's three quadrants. They have the tachometer is on the left side, the tachometer is on the left side, and the speedometer is right in the middle, and the gas tank is right on the right, right? Certain car, they have the digital speedometer where the numbers are showing in front of you. As you're driving, you can see the number going up and down, and some have the number right in front of you. As you can see here, we got 20, 40, and 60, and it goes up from there, right? So as you're driving, you need to look straight at the dashboard in the middle of the speedometer. As you're moving along, you will see the speed going up or it's going down. That will give you a good ballpoint of where to look, so you can know what speed are you driving with, right? As you're doing the road test, for the purpose of the road test here in New York City, the speed limit is 25 miles per hour, all right? So it'll be right on the middle of between 40 and the 20. Is right in the middle level right over here, which is gonna be right over here, which is gonna be the 20. Let me bring it up a little bit. Right over here, which is gonna be the 25 miles per hour. However, you cannot keep your foot on the brake, on the gas, actually, for straight to stay on 25 miles per hour. It's not gonna happen. It's gonna fluctuate, where it's gonna go back and forth, right? Now, for that matter, the DMV understood that they're giving you all the way up to 5 miles above the speed limit, so you will be good. What I mean by that, you have to be in the sweet spot for you to be. It's above 25, below 30. Above 25, below 30. Anything above that, considering as driving too fast. Anything below that, below 20, is driving too slow, right? And as you do in your road test, they can fail you for either way. If you're driving too fast, they can fail you the test. If you're driving too slow, they can fail you the test. That's the reason why they have a threshold for you to keep as you're driving. Then you shall not be in any trouble, all right? So I just want to make sure I clarify that, because many students, they are kind of confused with this speedometer. They don't know where to look, and they don't know how fast they're going, and they don't know what are the rules are on driving at the road test. As I'm going to show you here, a quick let me move the car for a second, and I'm gonna move up so you can see when you're accelerating how this is gonna start to move. Okay, I'm gonna put it here, very soft. You see, this one here is moving up a little bit. I'm in a parking spot, and I'm shooting this video here, but the speedometer is right in the middle, and that's what you need to be looking. As a matter of fact, a quick pro tips: as you're driving, you're not gonna just focus at looking at the speedometer. That will take your attention off the road, where your full attention is supposed to be on the road. However, since there is a speed limit that you're supposed to be driving with for the road test, so you have to make sure that you stay within that speed limit, all right? You do not want to be too slow. You do not want to be too fast, all right? One more time, let me bring it over. You also, this one here is numbers. You can see it. You want to be in the sweet spot right in the middle between 20 and 40, but you have to be above the second needle from the left eye, above the 20, which is gonna be 30, all right? So you have to be above 30, above 25, below 30, above 25, below 30. Once you keep it that way, you will be very good at your road test, and it should not be any issue with your speeding. Either you're driving too fast or either you're driving too slow. All right, folks, that's all I have for you today. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do so by in the subscribe button, and also you can ring the notification bell, so whenever we release a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. Until then, keep practicing. Take care now. This has been here with Pierre Paul Driving School. Take care.